We're now going to move into grades 1 through 5 for data progression. The first standard is 1.md.c.4. Organize, represent, and interpret data with up to 3 categories. Ask and answer questions about the total number of data points, how many in each category, how many more or less are in each category than another. Collecting and organizing data is an important part of mathematics and lends itself to problem-solving situations. This is why it's important that students collect data by asking questions of the class or taking surveys. Once this data has been collected, it can then be organized and analyzed. Students should be able to use tally mark, bar graph, or pictographs to help to organize this data. Once it is organized, they need to draw on conclusions from what the data is saying. This builds from the previous standard that we discussed, where children were able to classify objects into given categories and count the number in each category. Some vocabulary that is essential for students to learn in this standard include data, bar graph, and category.